What? Do you know what town we're in?
Huh?
Do you know what city this is? No? That's all right.
What city is this?
Vanderpool? All right, so here we are at the Motorcycle Museum in Vanderpool, Texas. We left out of Kerrville this morning. Got a little bit of a late start. It was kind of chilly when I woke up, so whatever. So we did probably the half of the first leg of the Twisted Sisters, or the Three Sisters, whatever you want to call it. That was a great run. Hopefully I got some good footage on that. And yeah, let's go see what this museum is all about. All right, maybe
Tell you about it.
okay, all right, so just tell me all about it.
As long as you don't have it on me, I'm okay.
No, it's not on you, ma'am.
Okay. It is a private collection. It's owned by a husband and wife. Their names are Alan and Debbie Johncock. Mr. Johncock is originally from Adelaide, Australia, so there is a heavy British influence to the bikes. There are currently 67 bikes on their showroom floor. They own all but 7, and they do all run but 2. Mr. Johncock also raced for 10 years, so his racing bikes are in here, the ones with 346. There's one here up front and 2 more toward the back. There are pictures of him racing each of those bikes on the bikes themselves, and he did not start racing until he was 56. They do allow you to take pictures, and they also allow you to sit and touch one bike, and that's the oldest Harley in their collection. It is the maroon one under the TV with the sidecar. You can get on the bike and or in the sidecar. Just be aware the sidecar rocks. It's on a leaf spring. A little bit about each one of them on them, so make your way around and enjoy them.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, ma'am, $1.
Okay, so that was good. Hope we got all of that information there. And oh, look at that old Ducati. What is that? 1981. Okay. And there's 1967 BMW. Interesting. Very nice. Oh, that's a BSA. 1957. Oh, that leaks. Oh, that's funny. Oil pan. And oh, look at that Norton. Oh, that's gorgeous. 1939. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at that. So you can actually sit on this one. And I don't think I need to sit on that one. That's fine with me. Another Norton. What year is that? A 1947. 500cc single cylinder. Very nice. Very nice. Another BSA. 69. Alright. Oh, we got snacks. Okay. Oh, look at that old Honda. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, that's a great poster. Nice. 1927. Oh my goodness. Look at that, huh? I like that one. Look at that. 1936. Wow.
Oh, that's awesome. So you don't see Really? You'll appreciate it.
Oh, that must be, look, do not touch. Oh, look at that little guy. He looks like a happy camper. Oh my goodness. Another Norton. 1928. Okay.
So it's a single speed direct drive only, and
All right.
yeah, it spins backwards 5 times per
Oh, look at that. That's an old Indian right there. What year? 1938. Oh my goodness. Look at that, huh? Left-hand throttle, suicide clutch, 3-speed shift. Oh, there we go. There's an old Bonneville. That's Norton. Oh, this must be one of his racer bikes. Oh, the 346, yeah? Look at that. What year is that Bonneville? 1981. 750. Look at that, huh? Oh, and what is this? First place. 2001. Oh, look at that. Wow, that's crazy. He rode that in 2001. Wow, 1930 Norton. Oh my. What is a 1917 India? Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, that's insane. Oh my.
Wow. That's interesting. That'd be a cool video.
Yeah, that's what I should put videos.
You should. Absolutely.
Oh, look at that. Rocket 3.
Wow, little drums. You don't see that often. Stick a dual disc, it's got dual.
1951, yeah, that's it. 1970 BSA.
And quick release wheel.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny in the back too. Yeah. 1951. Wow. 1930. Unbelievable.
Did you see the oil dripper on that Douglas up there?
I haven't yet. I haven't made it there yet. What do we got here? 1979. Oh, look at that. 79 Bonneville. Oh, this is a leak or two. Oh, what is this? A 1950. Wow. Look at that. This is a 1950 Thunderbird. Oh my gosh. Look at that compared to my 2015 Thunderbird. Oh, that's incredible. Oh yeah. That is nice. Look at that, huh? Oh my. Okay. That's a 39 Norton. Okay.
Because it is a private collection. It's owned by a husband and a wife. Their names are Alan and Debbie Johncock. Mr. Johncock is originally from Adelaide,
These Nortons have a drive shaft for the cam instead of push rods.
49. Oh wow.
See, it runs 2 bevel drives and the drive shaft spinning in. I don't know if it tells about that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, look at the size of that seat. That's cool.
They own all but 7 old ones, but 2. He also raced for 10 years.
1927 BSA. Look at that. Oh wow. 1952. Aerial Red Hunter. Wow. Okay, first place sidecar. I think we've been there. Speed Twin. Oh, look at that. That is a Speed Twin. 1948. Have I been here? Not sure. I'm not sure. I think I've been here. Alright. Look at that old jalopy. What year is that? 1946, he thinks? Oh my gosh, this is probably one of the ones that doesn't run, I imagine. No brakes, no gear. 1960 Harley. Oh, look at that. Wow. 1960 factory. Nice, Okay. Oh, look at that. Marlon Brando. Is that? I don't know if you can see that. That's a cool. Oh, yeah, that clear. I like that poster. Norton. 37. And what is this? 1954 Norton. Look at that. That's cool. I like that. Oh, and what do we got here? Side valve V-twin, 1960 Royal Enfield. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They came a long way, so. Wow. Oh. Okay. 1935 Norton. There's quite a few Nortons. Another Norton over here. That's a 54. It's a BSA. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, 19. What is that, Commando?
It's an English one.
Yep, that's what the flag is.
What do we got here? A 750cc Norton Commando. 1972 Norton Commando. 750. That's a cool looking bike. That's another dripper too. Okay. I think that's it. So we just finished up in the museum. That was pretty neat. But yeah, so now we're gonna suit up and jump back on and head on down to run these other three sisters. Let's see what we can get done there. Later.